I want to make you aware about our one of the unique project, which is known as Greater NOIDA Robotics Technology Park, which is very unique technology park coming only for robotics and AI technology players. So our aim is to integrate the entire value chain of robotics and AI industry at a single marketplace, in a co-located technology park format. So the concept is here to do all value additions of the robotics and AI industry at a one geographical location, right from the research and development to innovation to product testing to concept testing to skill development to manufacturing to engineering to testing to supply chain to export to distribution. An entire activity we will have organized in the technology park format, and we will be partnering with multiple robotics and technology companies, and we will be also inviting investors to come and invest into this robotics technology parks. And once this park is getting developed, then we also invite other technology company and the manufacturing companies, particularly in the electronics and robotics domain, to actually come forward and house their facility in this technology park and through the innovative business models. And with this, I'd like to again invite you for joining this technology park, the Greater NOIDA Robotics Technology Park, either in the partnership route or as an investor for promoting this technology park to a higher extent. And with this, I would like to thank you and look forward for association.